Hello beautiful people. A cousin of the better-known spirulina, chlorella is one under-the-radar superfood powerhouse. You might want to consider studying up on and integrating into your diet. We reached out to wellness physician and health coach Josh Axe to give us the lowdown on the blue-green algae from chlorella benefits. Native to Taiwan and Japan and now available stateside as a powder and pill. Chlorella is an incredibly nutrient-dense superfood that boasts a number of health benefits. Provides tons of nutrients. Chlorella is one of the most nutrient-dense superfoods in the world, notes Axe. Here's what a 1 ounce, or 3 tablespoon, serving of chlorella contains. 16 grams protein, 287% recommended daily allowance of vitamin A, 71% RDA of vitamin B, 233% RDA of vitamin B3, 202% RDA of iron, 22% RDA of magnesium, 133% RDA of zinc. Main benefits. 1. Detoxifies heavy metals. Chlorella helps to naturally detoxify your body of harmful substances. Axe explains that the superfood wraps itself around toxins in our bodies like lead, cadmium, mercury, and uranium and stops them from being reabsorbed. If you integrate chlorella into your diet, regular consumption can even keep heavy metals from accumulating in our body's soft tissues and organs in the first place, he says. 2. Supports your immune system. Chlorella has risen in popularity because of its immunity-boosting properties. Research published in 2012 in the Nutrition Journal studied healthy individuals and their immune system's response to chlorella supplements. The results showed that chlorella supports a healthy immune system response and helps natural killer cell activity after just 8 weeks of supplementation. 3. Promotes weight loss. In a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, researchers state, chlorella intake resulted in noticeable reductions in body fat percentage, serum total cholesterol, and fasting blood glucose levels, quotes Axe. Chlorella benefits you by helping to regulate hormones, helping with metabolism, improving circulation, and promoting higher levels of energy. It can also help to reduce weight and body fat and remove stored toxins often released during weight loss. 4. Lowers blood sugar and cholesterol. Type 2 diabetes and high cholesterol are two of the serious chronic conditions facing many Americans today, says Axe. Years of improper eating, stress, and a lack of sleep have led many to one or both of these diagnoses. Axe cites a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food where researchers found that doses of 8,000 mg of chlorella per day, divided into 2 doses, helps lower cholesterol and blood glucose levels. Researchers observed first a decline in cholesterol levels, then the improvement in blood glucose, describes Axe. They believe that chlorella activates a number of genes at the cellular level that improve insulin sensitivity, encouraging a healthy balance. 5. Help manage respiratory diseases. Managing respiratory diseases like asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD) often requires controlling inflammation. Chlorella has some components that can help reduce inflammation, including its many antioxidants. The antioxidants in chlorella may have anti-inflammatory effects, which can possibly improve asthma and other respiratory diseases. 6. Promotes eye health. Chlorella contains lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids that protect the eye and lower the risk of macular degeneration. 7. Relieves PMS. Anecdotal evidence says that chlorella can relieve symptoms of premenstrual syndrome (PMS). It could be a stretch, but chlorella contains calcium and B vitamins, both of which have been shown to reduce PMS. How to take chlorella. Axe recommends 2 main ways of consuming chlorella. The first is adding a chlorella powder to a smoothie. Chlorella has a very strong taste, so you will want to add about half a teaspoon of chlorella to a smoothie. With banana, coconut water, vanilla protein powder, and lime juice to help hide the taste, he advises. The second method is taking chlorella tablets. Simply take 3 to 6 tablets of chlorella. With 8 ounces of water 1 to 3 times daily to experience chlorella health benefits, Axe suggests. See the best chlorella supplements on Amazon. In the first link in the description. The difference between chlorella and spirulina. While many people aren't familiar with chlorella, there are a lot of people who have been taking spirulina for years, notes Axe. They are both waterborne organisms, but at the cellular level, they are quite different. He explains that both have a concentrated balance of nutrients shown to help cleanse and detoxify the body and a high concentration of protein that supports energy and clarity. In terms of protein levels and combinations of vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, and phytochemicals, chlorella goes one step beyond spirulina, says Axe, and, when used in tandem, their powers intensify. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos. Bye and see you in the next video.